Hello students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the question answer of civics chapter 4, the making of laws. The first question is very short answer type questions. So which is the supreme law making body in the country? That is Parliament is the supreme law making body in the country. What do you mean by ordinary bill? The bills which are not money bills are the ordinary bills. What do you understand by a simple majority? Simple majority is the majority where the members of parliament are in favor of a bill, more than half members are favor of any bill. And the less rest of the members are not in favor, then it is a simple majority. And the special majority, what is the special majority through which the constitution is amended? Special majority is the majority where 2/3 majority is necessary. Okay. Next is short answer type question. Describe the first reading through which an ordinary bill is introduced. First reading is an introduction stage. At this stage, the concerned ministers take the permission to introduce the bill. In this stage, there is no debate. Copies of the bills are distributed to the members. Mention the stage through which a bill is moved for the final approval. So you all know that there are 3 stages. So in the last stage or the third stage, the bill is moved for the final approval. The bill is as a whole is finally discussed and put to vote. Now if the majority of the MPs are in the favor of the bill is passed through that house. How is the constitution amended? The amendment of the constitution requires a special majority, and you know that special majority means 2/3 of the majority of the parliament. Generally, to make changes in the constitution, a 2/3 majority of the parliament is necessary. So, next question is, all person is independent in India and are equal before the, wait a minute. Okay. All persons are in independent India are equal before the law. Discuss. The law cannot discriminate between persons on the basis of their religion, caste or gender. That is, all laws will apply equally to all citizens of the country. No one can be above the law. That is the short and very short. Now we will discuss the long answer type questions. On which grounds do historians refute the claim that the British introduced the rule of law in India? Introduced the rule of law in India. The historians refute the claim on the following grounds. The British law was arbitrary. The Indian nationalists played an important role in the development of the legal sphere in British India. They began to protest and criticize the arbitrary laws of the British. Indian judges also began to play a greater role in the decision making. After independence, the constitution serves as the foundation on which the members of the parliament make laws for the country. Now, question number 3. How is a money bill passed in the parliament? A money bill is introduced only in the Lok Sabha. When it is passed in the Lok Sabha, it is sent in the Rajya Sabha for its approval. A money bill cannot be introduced without the consent of the President of India. It is mandatory for the Rajya Sabha to return the bill with its recommendation within 14 days from the date of receipt. If it does not do so, the bill is considered to be passed by both the houses. The bill then sent to the president or his her consent. So that's about this chapter. Okay, complete your work.